Dear friends, in class 11 we are trying to understand conic sections, and in exercise 11.2 we have the first question. Find the coordinate of focus, axis of parabola, the equation of directrix and the length of lattice rectum. Now we have to find these things, and we are trying to understand, we are trying to make the concepts of parabola more clear with certain examples. Now first is given y square is equal to 12x. Now we know equation equation of the parabola in the standard forms. There are four equations of parabola in standard form, and they are y square is equal to 4ax, y square is equal to minus 4x, x square is equal to 4ay, and x square is equal to minus 4ay. Now if you compare this equation, y square is equal to 12x, here please note the term is y square exists. As y square term exists, this parabola y square is equal to 12x is symmetric is symmetric is symmetric about x axis means it is. And since coefficient is positive, as coefficient is positive, parabola opens towards right opens towards right opens towards right. Now it means the equation of parabola is of the form which is symmetric to x-axis and opening towards the right side of the x-axis. So it is of this form. Now please note, if you compare the coefficients, so comparing y square is equal to 12x with y square is equal to 4ax, we have 4a is equal to 12, it means a is equal to 3. So a is equal to 3. Please note, as it is symmetric about x-axis and opening towards the right, it means focus is a0. So focus of this equation will be focus of the parabola. Focus is equal to focus of the parabola, or coordinates of the focus. Coordinates of focus of the parabola y square is equal to 12x is a0, that is 30. Please note, we have found the coordinate of the focus. Now axis of parabola is x-axis itself. So axis of parabola is x-axis. That is, it is symmetric about x-axis. Then we are asked to find the directrix. Now we know that directrix or parabola, according to the definition of the parabola, all the points on parabola are equidistant from the directrix and the point. So it must pass, if this is the vertex at the origin, then this point will be minus a0. So it is a line passing through the point minus a0. So equation of this is x equal to minus 3. Please note, the value of a is 3. Since it is parallel to y-axis, equation of the line parallel to y-axis is x equal to some constant number. Here we are getting x equal to minus 3. So equation of directrix is x equal to minus 3. We asked to find the length of lattice rectum of parabola. So length of lattice rectum of parabola is equal to 4 times a. So if you multiply this, we will get 4 into 3, that is equal to 12 units. Dear friends, next equation is we have to find the coordinate of the focus axis of parabola, the equation of directrix, and the length of the lattice rectum. And second, we are given the equation x square is equal to 6y. We are trying to make these concepts clear with the help of certain examples. Now, the equation is x equal to 6y. Now, we know the equation of parabola in the standard form are y square is equal to 4x, y square is equal to minus 4x, x square is equal to 4ay, x square is equal to minus 4ay. If you compare these equations, you will find the third equation, that is this equation matches with the given equation. Since the coefficient is positive, we have x square is equal to 4ay. So please note, equation is of the form, equation is of the form x square is equal to 4ay. Since x square terms exist, x square term exists, therefore parabola is symmetric about y-axis. Now coefficient is positive, as coefficient is positive, it opens in positive direction of y-axis. It means parabola is something like this. Please note, x square term exists means it is symmetric to y-axis, so it can be upside or downside only. Now, as the coefficient is positive means it is opening only in positive direction of y-axis. This is positive direction of y-axis, this is negative direction of y-axis, this is negative direction of x-axis, this is positive direction of x-axis. It opens towards positive direction of y-axis. So, parabola is of this form. Now, if it is of this form, then comparing the coefficients. So comparing coefficients, we will get 4a is equal to 6. So a is equal to 6 upon 4. This is reducible to 3 upon 2. So we have got the value of 3 upon 2. Please note, focus lies on y-axis, as focus lies on y-axis, positive direction of y-axis, positive direction of y-axis. Its x coordinate will be 0. So x coordinate is 0, x coordinate is 0, and y coordinate is 3 upon 2. So focus is somewhere here. X is 0 and y coordinate is positive 3 upon 2. Now we have got the focus. Therefore, coordinates of focus are 0, 3 upon 2. Now coordinates of focus we have got. We have asked to find the axis of parabola. Please note, axis of parabola is y-axis. Axis of parabola is y-axis. Now next is, we asked to find the directrix. Please note, the definition of parabola is all the points on parabola are equidistant from the focus and the directrix. So directrix will be parallel to x-axis, and if it is parallel to x-axis, it means its equation will be y equal to certain constant number. Since this distance is 3 upon 2, please this note, y coordinates is 3 upon 2. So from vertex to focus, the distance is 3 upon 2 in positive direction of y-axis. So in negative direction of y-axis also, it will be minus 3 upon 2. So points are 0, minus 3 upon 2, and equation of line will be y equal to minus 3 upon 2. This is I have written the point of intersection. So equation of directrix is equation of directrix is y equals to minus 3 upon 2. And next, we are asked to find the length of lattice rectum of the parabola. So length of lattice rectum is equal to 4 times a, that is equal to 4 times a's value we have got 3 upon 2. So this will be equal to, again 4 is reducible, so you will get 6 units. Dear friends, we are trying to understand parabola with the help of certain example. Now, third example, we have y square is equal to minus 8x. Now, question is, find the coordinate of the focus. We are supposed to find the focus, axis of parabola, the equation of directrix, and length of the lattice rectum, and equation of the parabola is in the standard form. That is, we can compare with any of these four equations. Now, if you compare, these are the equations of the parabola in standard form. That is, vertex is at origin. Vertex is at origin. Now see, here y square is equal to 8x. Now, if y square term exists, means equations can be of first two types, and since the coefficient is negative, it will be of the second form. That is, comparing the equation, comparing the equation with given equation, comparing the given equation with standard equation of parabola, that is, vertex is at origin. Comparing the equation of the standard equation of the parabola, it means we are comparing this equation with the equations of the parabola which are having vertex at the origin and focus on any of the coordinate axis. So here, comparing the equation with the standard equation of the parabola, we have y square is equal to minus ax. Now, if you compare coefficients, we will get a is equal to 8. It means, y square is equal to 4ax. So we will get 4a is equal to 8. It means a is equal to 2. So equation will be, hence equation will be y square is equal to, therefore equation of parabola is equal to, is y square is equal to minus, we have found minus 4 into a is 2x. So a is equal to 2, that is y square is equal to minus 8x. Now we are asked to find the focus. Please try to understand. Here y square term exists, means it is symmetric about x-axis. So y square term exists. So parabola is symmetric about what? Symmetric about x-axis, as coefficient of x is negative. As the coefficient is negative, it opens towards left. It means parabola is of the form something like this. We are comparing with the standard, so vertex is at origin, parabola is opening towards the left, and focus is on negative direction of x-axis. And hence the point is minus 2, 0. Please note, as focus lies on x-axis, its y coordinate is 0. So we have written that x is, parabola is in this direction, therefore focus is minus 2, 0. Now we have found the focus. We are supposed to find the axis of parabola. Axis of parabola is x-axis. And equation of directrix. Please note, according to definition of the parabola, all the points on parabola are equidistant from focus and the directrix. So directrix will be something, if this distance is -2, this distance will be 2 units. It means this point will be 2, 0. And hence, it is the equation of line which is parallel to y-axis. If it is parallel to y-axis, then equation will be x equal to constant. So x equal to 2 is the equation of directrix. So equation of directrix is x equal to 2, and length of lattice rectum is equal to 4a, that is equal to 4 times 2 means 8 units.